Okay, for question 41, we're going to use exercise 39 here to find the integral of the natural log of x to the third power. And this is what our formula is. So let's go ahead and use that. So n is equal to 3, right? So what that tells us is the following. We have the integral of the natural log of x to the third power dx. So that equals x times the natural log of x to the third power minus 3 times the natural log of x to 3 minus 1, which is 2, dx. And so now we're going to use that formula again and then multiply it by 3. So now we're going to take a look at this and then apply the reduction formula. So we have x times the natural log of x to the third power minus 3 times, now this becomes x times the natural log of x to the second power minus 2 times the integral of the natural log of x times 2 minus 1, which is 1, and that's dx. So let's distribute the minus 3 to both of those terms. So we have x times the natural log of x to the third power minus 3x times the natural log of x squared. Negative 3 times negative 2 is plus 6. And then we want to then find the integral of the natural log of x dx. And now this is 1. So now we're going to use the formula again for that one. So we have x times the natural log of x to the third power minus 3x times the natural log of x squared plus 6 times, again, using that formula, we have the following. We have x times the natural log of x to the first power minus n, which is 1, times the integral of the natural log of x to the 1 minus 1, which is 0, dx. So now let's go ahead and distribute the 6. So we have x times the natural log of x to the third power minus 3x times the natural log of x to the second power. And then we're going to distribute the 6. So this is plus 6x times the natural log of x. And that's going to be minus 6 times anything to the 0 power is 1. So that's dx. And now we're going to take the antiderivative of that, which is going to be x. So we end up getting x times the natural log of x to the third power minus 3x times the natural log of x squared plus 6x times the natural log of x minus 6x, and that's plus c. And therefore, that is our result.